Look at that. So this is the first bedroom. I don't know why people even need to construct at all. This is one bathroom with a glass enclosure so that water doesn't spill out, and there's a nice vanity here, slide out. Look at the quality of materials that they use. This converts into a bed as well. This is the dinette, again that gets converted into a bed. The kitchenette. This is the other bedroom. This converts into a bed. There's a bed on the top, very comfortable space. And one good thing about this one is that there is a second bathroom as well here, which can be accessed from outside. So this is the advantage of this one. It has a small bathroom area which can be accessed from outside. Beautiful layout. It's a complete house.